And for the rest, summon to judgments true, unbiased ears, and singleness of virtue, withdrawn from doltries, lest these my gifts arrange for thee with eager service, thou disdain before thou comprehendest. Since for thee I prove the supreme law of rulers and above, and the primordial germs of things unfold, whence nature all creates, and multiplies, and fosters all, and whither she resolves, each in the end, when each is overthrown. The ultimate stock we have devised to name, procreant atoms, matter, seeds of things, or primordial bodies as primal to the beginning.